The secret special fish sauce you need to learn. Here, I'm using 500 grams of fish fillet. I'll squeeze lemon juice over the top. Add 3 minced garlic cloves, a pinch of black pepper, a bit of salt, now mix everything well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mix tomato sauce, coconut milk, cream, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Our sauce is now ready. Pour the sauce over the fish. Add slices of mozzarella on top. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until golden. Look how amazing our fish turned out. Sprinkle chives, slice, and enjoy. It's truly irresistible. Try it at home, everyone will love it. Quick, easy, delicious fish, perfect for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another dish from Poor Man's Kitchen. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.